Goodwill brings to you the weekly share market update dated January 28, 2023. Diageo-controlled liquor maker United Spirits on Tuesday said its consolidated net profit declined by 27% to 214 rupees crore in the third quarter ended December 31, 2022. The company had reported a net profit of 295 rupees crore in the October-December quarter of last fiscal. Total income declined to 6,631 rupees crore for the period under review as against 8,917 rupees crore in the year-ago period, United Spirits said in a regulatory filing. The company remained optimistic about the medium to longer-term business prospects and the ability to harness growth opportunities with sharpened focus and reshaped portfolio. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited will set up 1 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity in Rajasthan as the nation's second-largest state oil refiner pivots its path to achieving a net-zero emission target by 2040. In a statement, BPCL said it has signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Rajasthan for setting up the renewable energy power plant. It, however, neither gave a timeframe nor investment that will be made in the project. Food aggregator Zomato has relaunched its Zomato Gold loyalty program, which will offer users to avail of discounts for dining in and food delivery. With Zomato Gold, users will get unlimited free deliveries at restaurants under 10-kilometer distance. The new Zomato Gold is a brand new membership, just with a familiar name. It has exciting new benefits such as free delivery, no delay guarantee, VIP access during rush hour and many more. Shares of Tata Motors surged 6%, hitting an over 4-month high of 444.60 rupees on the BSE in Friday's intraday trade as the company posted a consolidated net profit of 3,043 rupees crore in the third quarter of fiscal 2022-23, after reporting losses for 7 straight quarters. The healthy performance during the quarter was on the back of a strong order book, better semiconductor chip supply, tempered commodity prices, and a better product mix. The company's total income jumped 22.9% year-on-year to 89,618 rupees crore in quarter 3. On outlook, Tata Motors remained cautiously optimistic on the demand situation despite global uncertainties. The company will remain vigilant on demand and its continued focus on profitable growth. Improving semiconductor supplies and stable commodity prices will aid revenue growth. Shares of Dixon Technologies crashed up to 20% on the BSE in Friday's early trading session, hitting a 52-week low of 2,691 Indian rupees apiece after reporting disappointing set of earnings for the third quarter ended December 2022 and also slashing its revenue guidance. Dixon Tech Quarter 3 Financial Year 2023 earnings and management commentary disappointed Street's expectations. Revenue was down 22% year-on-year, even as Quarter 3 Financial Year 2023 profit after tax was up 10% year-on-year due to margin expansion. Goldstone Technology has moved up by 29.82% this week with a change of 16.15 points. It has traded with a net volume of 3.577 million shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 70.3 against the previous closing price of 54.15. Meanwhile, the share price is trading above its moving average 50, which is a good indication for the stock. The stock has made the highest move to 78.5 points this week. National Steel and Agro has moved up by 18.6% this week with a change of 0.8 points. It has traded with a net volume of 223.43 thousand shares. Further, the share price is trading above its moving average 4. The share is currently trading at the price level of 5.1 against the previous closing price of 4.3. The stock has made the highest move to 5.1 points this week. Tata Motors has moved up by 10.53% this week with a change of 42.45 points. It is traded with a net volume of 129.647 million shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 445.6 against the previous closing price of 403.15 points. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of 56.69. An RSI above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone has moved down by 16.03% this week with a change of 114.3 points. It has traded with a net volume of negative 3.152 million shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 598.6 against the previous closing price of 774.45. Meanwhile, the share price is trading below its moving average 802.7, indicating that investors need to be cautious. Now, let's see Nifty and Bank Nifty movement and expectations. Nifty 50 remained under pressure in this week and closed at 17,604 levels on January 28, tracking nervousness in Indian markets as the reports were highly negative related to Adani Group. As per the Hindenburg research reports, Adani has been conducting money laundering and several other malicious activities to grow its business. The impact of this report was negative as panic can be seen in the market. Most of the Adani stocks were locked in lower circuit. Also, the stocks which were indirectly related to Adani took the beating, like State Bank of India fell more than 4% as it gave huge loans to Adani Group. In this week, Nifty slipped 423 points. Considering the negative sentiments, the correction can further extend to supports at 17,435 and 17,350 as indicated by Bollinger Bands. The index formed a long bearish candle with a small wick. Nifty has failed to sustain the mark of 17,800 at the end of this week. Now, the hurdle on the upper end remains at 17,800 and 18,100 levels. Downtrend can be seen in the markets for the month of February amid high expectations from budget next week. The pressure is expected to continue in the markets as long as Adani Group fails to justify the report. Similarly, Nifty Bank fell 5.09% this week. As said in the previous week, Bank Nifty has continued its downtrend with a big red candle. In the coming week, Nifty Bank is expected to remain under pressure as important support level of 41,200 has been breached. Now it has become the resistance, and considering the global market situations, it is going to continue its downtrend. Important support level for Bank Nifty for next week can be seen at 39,500 as depicted by Bollinger Bands in the charts. After that, the index may slip towards 38,800 levels. As for resistance, 41,200 will act as an immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. After that, next resistance can be 42,500. That's it for today. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, email, or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please do like, share and subscribe our video for the latest updates in the stock market.